Tired of outdated phone systems and ready to unlock the power of internet-based calling? Let's ditch the tangled mess and set up your own VoIP phone system using Twilio in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Twilio.com and sign up for an account. Don't worry, it usually offers a free trial to get you started. Once you're in, navigate to the Programmable voice section. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need a Twilio phone number. Click on the Buy a Number option. Choose your desired country and area code, and select a number that suits your needs. This number will be your gateway to making and receiving calls through Twilio. Now, let's create a TwiML app. TwiML, or Twilio markup language, is how you tell Twilio what to do when someone calls your number. Go to the TwiML app section and create a new app. Give it a friendly name, and in the request URL fields, enter the URL where your application logic resides. This is where you'll define how calls are handled. But for testing, you can use Twilio's example URL. Time to configure your VoIP phone. Consult your phone's manual for specific instructions, but generally, you'll need to enter your Twilio credentials, your account Set Up token, and your Twilio phone number. These credentials allow your phone to communicate securely with Twilio's servers. Now, you'll need some TwiML code. You can use pre-built code or code this yourself to control call flow with an easy task coding system. Twilio can then use this to redirect the call to a new number, leave a message, or do something else. Assign this new TwiML app to the phone number you purchased. And that's it. You're now ready to make and receive calls using your VoIP phone through Twilio. Experiment with different TwiML configurations to build advanced features like call routing, recording, and even integrate with other services. Enjoy your newfound VoIP freedom.